Hello, my name is Konstantinos Kalaitzidis, CFO of Philo for Thought, Chairman of the National Hellenic Student Association of North America, and an engagement financial advisor at Deloitte. I have the privilege of honoring several deserving individuals in our community for their achievements. More information on these individuals can be found on Philo for Thought's website. Philo for Thought's Lifetime Achievement recipient for this year is Carol Kansos, a philanthropist and educator for over 30 years. She has spent a lifetime promoting the values of the Hellenic culture and faith, truly embodying the concept of philotimo in her lasting and positive impact in the lives of many. Most recently, Mrs. Kansos has been honored by the Daughters of Penelope with their Woman of the Year award in 2019. Philo for Thought would like to congratulate Mrs. Kansos and applaud her lifetime commitment to Hellenism and her community. Our keynote address and recipient of the NYS Certificate of Excellence for Innovative Leadership goes to Despina Panagiotou Theodosiou, CEO of Tototheo Maritime and President of Wista International. This award is being presented for outstanding contributions to our global community and empowering women in a challenging industry. We wish you continued success. Philo for Thought would like to recognize the efforts of the following individuals or groups for their achievements, service to others, and the promotion of Hellenism. Our first Certificate of Excellence is for Outstanding Community Outreach Group, and this award goes to the Annunciation Church Young Professional Ministry. We would like to congratulate Father Chrysostomos, who is the director of the group, for uniting the Greek Orthodox community in New York. Our next Certificates of Excellence go to three outstanding Hellenic young professionals. These are Ted Anastasiou of Mercure LLC and HALC, Konstantinos Kalaitzidis of TEDx UTH Larissa, and Dean Sotiris Michalatos of the Archdiocesan Cathedral of the Holy Trinity. Congrats on all your success. Our Certificates of Merit and Service goes to two college students. Alexandra Liotsopoulos, who is studying Business and Political Science at CUNY Queens College, and Andy Rustani, who is studying Pre-Med at CUNY Hunter College. Our first set of awards are presented by Philo for Thought in collaboration with the New York State Attorney General. NYS Attorney General Certificate honoring Outstanding Merit goes to Konstantinos Kalaitzidis, who is an undergrad at the University College Dublin. Congratulations, Konstantinos, on your achievements. The NYS Attorney General's Triple C Award honorees and Philo for Thought's College-Bound Young Scholar Stipend recipients for this year are Martina Theodoropoulos of St. Demetrius High School, Georgia Liotsopoulos of the Mary Lewis Academy, and Ray Brown of the High School of Art and Design. Congratulations on your achievements and hard work. Good luck in your future endeavors. Before closing remarks, I would like to mention two initiatives of the National Hellenic Student Association of North America. First is our convention taking place October 2nd through 4th. This is a 3-day event including networking, educational workshops, Greek nights, and meeting those of Hellenic descent. Second is our annual scholarship, hosted in collaboration with the Ariston Foundation, and it is open to all undergrad and graduate students until July 15th. Applications can be found on our website, nhsaofamerica.org. Thank you for taking the time today to be with us, and I will pass the stage over for closing remarks.